Hi everyone, my name is Caleb Gunn from Jurong East Investor Centers. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, how to participate in this mega IPO, the coming Hong Kong mega IPO called Kuaishou. Okay, so basically, I just think that I just want to do a very short video and then just to share with you some of the facts from the website that I have found, and then how you're going to, participate in the Hong Kong pre-IPO. And then how can you trade the Hong Kong pre-IPO from the Provium platform with some of the detail that you have to know, and then with some of the fact that you have to know as well before you decided to invest into this new IPO. All right. So if you look at the what we call it, South China Morning Post. So basically, this Kuaishou IPO is actually backed by Tencent. All right. I believe most of you know what is Tencent. Okay, Tencent is a giant company in China, of course. So basically, Tencent own WeChat platform as well. So based on the information, okay, the IPO is actually overbought, 1,200 times by the retail investor. Okay, so it's a very popular IPO right now. And then the final price, okay, is actually Hong Kong dollars $115. $115. Okay, so if you look at some of the informations which I have going through, okay, so based on the information, the amount actually attracted was nearly the same as Ants Group's, although the Ants Group giants was not successfully listed, but you can see that the demand is there. All right, so beside that, the IPO is actually by the world's second biggest short video apps, which has 262 million daily average user, which is quite a lot, right? So the other one is that the business for them is pretty simple actually. So it's a virtual item that they are actually offer to the viewer, so that this viewer they will purchase the what we call that, the virtual gift, all right, and then pay for the virtual gift. So in the 9 months that ended September 30, so Kuaishou make around 25.3 billion, so that's equivalent to around 3.9 billions, right, USD, which is quite a lot, all right. And 60% of the revenue is come from the live streaming, and then the rest revenue come from the advertising and the e-commerce, right? Probably they are selling other people's product as well. Okay, so take note, is a losing currently is a losing company, right? So they are still losing around 7.24 billion yuan as a marketing expenses. Okay, so you have to take note, make sure that you study the company and then analyze the company before you making any decision to purchase the IPO. So another one is that although it's a losing money company, all right, but it has actually attracted some of the biggest investor, namely capital groups, Temasek Holding, GIC, BlackRock, okay, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, and some others big investor as well. So the next question is that most of the investors ask, hey, how to participate, okay? So let me share this with you. In Provium platform, we have this thing called Hong Kong pre-IPO. So the Hong Kong pre-IPO trading market is a channel provided by Philips Securities for customer to trade Hong Kong share 1 day before the official listing. So Philips Securities is the first broking house in Singapore and Hong Kong to offer customer the pre-IPO channel. So the performance of the stock in the pre-IPO trading session should not be considered as an indicator of its price and the demand in the official trading sessions. So the brokerage fee is online trade is 0.25% and broker assistance is 0.3%. Then some of the fee that you have to take note, which I think is not much. Okay, and what else? Okay, let me go through with you some of the slide. Okay, so this is the slide that I have prepared. The information that you have to take note. Okay, so disclaimer: whatever that I share with you is my view. There is no right view or wrong view. Okay, investment comes with a risk. Please do your own study before making decision to buy any stocks. Thank you. And then okay, the code is 1024. You have to take note. And then the IPO price is actually 115 Hong Kong dollars. So that will be equivalent to around 19.72. Okay, Sing dollars. And the official listing is on 5th February 2021, which is Friday. And then the trading hours, okay, for Hong Kong's market, okay, pre-opening is from 9 to 9:30, all right, and then the morning session will start from 9:30 to 12, so they have 1 hour lunch break. Okay, after that they will start on 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this part you have to take note, because if you buy the stock on Hong Kong pre-IPO, alright, then if you want to sell on the official listing, so this is the information that you need to know. Okay, so the next things is that I'm going to share with you is the Hong Kong pre-IPO. So that means you can trade 1 day before the official listing. So do take note. Okay, 4th February, okay, Thursday, you can start to buy the Kuaishou stocks, okay, from the Podium trading platform, which is 1 day before the official listing. So the stock name is of course Kuaishou Technology, and then the stock code is 1024. So the minimum lot size is only 100 shares. Okay, 100 shares, and the price on that day is basically depend on the market supply and the demand. Okay, I do not know what is the price. Okay, so it could be higher or lower than the IPO price, which is fixed on 115. So it could be higher or lower. And then where to trade? Do take note. Okay, you can only trade on the Podium platform website version. Okay, no mobile app. Okay, and the next thing is that just give you some of the example, the calculation, simple calculation. Let's say, for example, the trading price on that day, 4th February, is $120. So if you intend to buy 100 shares, then you just time 100 shares times 120, and then that will be equivalent to 12,000 Hong Kong D, around $2,058. So the rest, I leave it to you to do the calculations. And do take note, okay, the above example does not include the commissions. All right. So the commissions, you can look at the tables. Okay, online trade is 0.25%, and then minimum is 100 Hong Kong dollar, and the broker assisted trade is only 0.3%. So common questions that you have to know. Okay, the most people will ask that where to trade, open platform. Do remember that, and then website only. Okay, website version only, and then no mobile apps. So most of the people ask is that after seeing this video, right, they try to go and log into the Podium platform, but they couldn't find the counter. The answer is that the counter name, okay, will only appear on 4th February, which is Thursday, and 10 minutes before the Hong Kong pre-IPO trading hour, which is 10 minutes before 4:15 p.m. So can you contra? The answer is yes. You can buy on that day and sell on that day. Okay, buy on that day and sell on that day. Okay, so settlement date is can be Sing dollar. Okay, if you have Hong Kong dollar, please remember to settle in Hong Kong dollars. All right, if you don't have Hong Kong dollar, so you settle in Sing dollars. Okay, can you short sell? No, the answer is no. Okay, and the most common rejections order is because of this code called 2043, invalid order price. So basically the price the price that allowed to be keyed in Hong Kong market is very narrow only. Okay, if you look at the message here, the queuing price is beyond 24 bits. Okay, ask spread or the matching price of more than 10 current market bid and the ask price. So it's very narrow as compared to the Singapore market. So you have to take note. If your order is rejected, is most likely is because of the price that you key in is too far away from the what we call that market price. All right, so do take note about that. And the next thing I want to show you is that okay, if you log into the Podium platform, okay, and how do you trade the Hong Kong pre-IPO? So I do have this pre-recorded video for the pre-Hong Kong IPO. All right, next. So I show you this example so that at least you know where to find the stocks. Okay, when the Hong Kong pre-IPO is available for trading. All right, so you can take watch the video now. Under the stock exchange, click on the drop down list and choose Hong Kong pre-IPO. Now you can see the counter right now. Okay, you double click. So minimum lot size 100 share. Okay, you key in 100 share. So let's say, for example, tomorrow pre-IPO pricing is 128 Hong Kong dollar. All right, so this is a gross value, does not include commission. Settlement currency, if you have Hong Kong dollar, you can choose Hong Kong dollar. If you don't have, make sure you choose Singapore dollar so that you can settle in Singapore dollar. So when you click on the Singapore dollar, you can actually see this question mark. Click on it, they will show you Sing dollar equivalents in 2,300 Sing dollar, and this does not include the commissions. So if you want to buy 1,000 share, you can change the quantity and click on the question mark again. 23,027 Sing dollar. This does not include the commission. Okay, so this is a short video, and do take note that the trading hour for the Hong Kong pre-IPO, all right, for full day, okay, they start from 4:15 p.m. Singapore time and end at 6:30 p.m. Singapore time. Do take note, okay? So if you want to, trade within the same day, and make sure you just sell before 6:30 p.m. All right. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today again. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.